get editing in DaVinci Resolve. You find an image on Google, then you download it, then you search for it in folder, then you import it into DaVinci Resolve, then you drop into timeline just to use one image. That's why too slow. So I built a free DaVinci Resolve plugin that removes all of that. First, open Google. Copy image straight to timeline. No saving, no importing. Take any frame or image in your timeline. Add shortcut. Press shortcut or paste from UI that you are seeing copy button. It instantly copied into your clipboard. Paste anywhere. So instead of wasting time, you just copy, paste, edit. That's it. This plugin link is in our description. Please check it out and download it from there. Then after you will see this file. Right click, then after extract. After you extract, you will see these files. Here are so many files. Just you should to install one Python. Here you see two Python. If you do not have Python in your computer, then install one Python only. Here is a two file, but you only need one Python. If you want to install this, then run as administrator or open only. Then ignore this. If it does not work, then only you should to install this. After that, you should to install this bit file. Double click, then automatically see this. Now copy, then after hold Ctrl and click this also and click this also. Only three files you should to click with Ctrl. Then after copy, then after open DaVinci Resolve. First you should to go in a Fusion page, then Fusion setting, or you can also open from here. Then after you should to go in a path map. After you scroll down, you can see scripts, then right click here, then after you can see this folder, then open utility. Here is a file that I already created. You should to create one folder, open copy pasta folder, and I will paste. Here is a three plugins. Open DaVinci Resolve. You can already see in a workspace. Then after scripts, then after you can see copy pasta, then you can see here copy paste UI. If you click this, then you can see UI.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next time.